Um, Hi everyone, welcome to Stock Smarts. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. You know, that one day of the year when love is in the air and so are the crazy expectations of lavish gifts and fancy dinners. But let me tell you, there's absolutely no need to break the bank to show your loved one you care. Today, we're gonna dive into some seriously smart, budget friendly ways to celebrate Valentine's Day without emptying your wallets. We're gonna be talking about creative dates, thoughtful gifts that won't cost a fortune, and even how to invest that money instead. That's right. Imagine growing your money instead of watching it disappear on a single night out. So, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to learn how to win at Valentine's Day without even opening your wallet. Did you know that the average person spends a small fortune on Valentine's Day? I'm talking thousands of pesos, people. Think about it, those expensive dinners, the flowers that wilt after a week, the gifts that end up gathering dust on a shelf. It all adds up so fast, and honestly, it's kind of insane when you really break it down. Look, I get it. Everyone wants to impress their significant other on Valentine's Day. But there's a massive difference between showing you care and just throwing money at a Hallmark holiday. We're conditioned to think we need to spend a ton of money to make it special, but that's just not true. The truth is, there are so many better ways to celebrate without breaking the bank. Ways that are more thoughtful, more personal, and way more meaningful than just flashing a credit card. And the best part, you'll still have money left in your account after the day is over. Okay, let's talk about those overpriced Valentine's Day dinners. Restaurants know it's a big spending night, so what do? They jack up the prices. Suddenly, that steak dinner that's usually 1,000 pesos is now 1,500. And don't even get me started on the special Valentine's Day set menus. It's insane. But here's a revolutionary idea: cook at home. Not only is it way cheaper, but it's also so much more romantic. Imagine dimming the lights, putting on some music, and creating a delicious meal together. It's about the experience, the connection, and honestly, who doesn't love a home cooked meal? Plus, you can control the quality of the ingredients and you won't be surrounded by a bunch of other couples awkwardly trying to have a romantic evening. Trust me, cooking at home is a win-win. You save money and you get to create a special memory together. And if you really want to up the romance factor, light some candles. Now, let's talk about gifts. You know the drill: teddy bears holding hearts, generic chocolates, overpriced bouquets of flowers. It's also predictable, right? But here's the thing: you don't need to spend a fortune to show someone you care. In fact, the most meaningful gifts often come from the heart, not the wallet. Think about it. A handwritten letter expressing your feelings, a framed photo of a special memory, a playlist of songs that remind you of your partner. These are the things that truly matter. The things people will cherish long after the flowers have wilted and the chocolates have been eaten. Remember, it's the thought that counts, not the price tag. So get creative, think outside the box, and give a gift that truly comes from the heart. Truly. Okay? So you want to do something special for Valentine's Day without blowing your budget on a fancy dinner or an expensive gift. Enter free or low-cost experiences. Instead of going for the typical dinner and a movie, think outside the box. How about a romantic picnic at the park? Pack some sandwiches, grab a blanket, and enjoy each other's company surrounded by nature. Or how about a bike ride through the city, exploring hidden alleys and soaking up the atmosphere? You could even go stargazing. Find a spot away from the city lights, lay down a blanket, and marvel at the vastness of the universe together. It's romantic, it's free, and it's a great way to create a lasting memory. The possibilities are endless, and they don't have to cost a fortune. Okay, let's be realistic. Some of you are set on going out for Valentine's Day. And hey, that's totally fine, but that doesn't mean you can't still be smart about it. One of the best ways to save money on Valentine's Day is to plan ahead and look for discounts. Seriously, the early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the cheaper dinner reservation. Many restaurants offer special Valentine's Day deals and promotions, especially if you book in advance. Keep an eye out for these offers, check out online coupon websites, and sign up for restaurant newsletters to stay in the loop. You might be surprised at the deals you can find. And don't forget about those credit card rewards points. If you've been racking up points throughout the year, Valentine's Day is a great time to redeem them for a free meal or a discounted experience. It's like getting a little bonus for being financially responsible. Let's be real for a second, guys. Valentine's Day is a made-up holiday. It's a day designed to make you feel like you need to spend a ton of money to prove your love. But here's the truth. Real love isn't about grand gestures or expensive gifts. It's about the little things you do for each other every single day. It's about the way you make each other laugh, the way you support each other's dreams, the way you show up for each other even when things get tough. You don't need a Hallmark holiday to validate your love. If you're constantly showing your partner how much you care throughout the year, then Valentine's Day is just another day. So, ditch the pressure, skip the overpriced cliches, and focus on what truly matters. Building a strong, loving relationship that lasts. Okay, let's talk about the big picture for a second. Imagine, instead of spending thousands of pesos on a fancy dinner, you took that same amount of money and invested it. We're talking about putting that money to work for you, building your financial future together. Imagine the possibilities. You could put it towards a down payment on your dream home, invest it in Pag-ibig MP2, or even start building a diversified portfolio of stocks and ETFs. Over time, that money could grow exponentially thanks to the power of compound interest. Think about it. You could be celebrating your anniversary years from now with a hefty return on your investment, all because you chose to be smart with your money on Valentine's Day. Now, that's what I call romantic. I call. So, there you have it. My top tips for saving big this Valentine's Day. Remember, it's not about how much money you spend, it's about the love and thoughtfulness you put into it. What are your plans for a budget-friendly Valentine's Day? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe to the Stock Smarts channel for more awesome financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more smart money tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your budget-friendly Valentine's Day plan?